In the end, the election was not as Lincoln had feared, and that's because in 1864, events in the South, particularly the fall of Atlanta, Georgia, and success in the Shenandoah Valley, meant that the war effort was going better than first thought. And there are the results. Lincoln, with 2.2 million votes, 55% of the total, received 212 electoral college votes to McClellan's 21. He had 45% of the vote, but the result in the electoral college exaggerated the result in favour of Lincoln. In fact, the only 3 states to offer their support for McClellan were New Jersey and Delaware in the northeast and Kentucky on the border. Though the results in New Jersey and Delaware were very close, with around 2% in it in each race, it was clear in Kentucky with nearly 70% of the vote for the Democrats. Interestingly, soldiers were permitted to vote. Most were able to vote from the battlefields if they were completing their military service. 78% of soldiers turned their back on former General McClellan and voted in favour of Lincoln. And if this election was a referendum on whether the war should continue or whether a peace should be negotiated, the answer was clear. Lincoln and the Republican Party had the support of the Union to face the South, defeat it once and for all in the battlefield, and end the war there.